I just needed somebody else to see this packaging. It's for this tiny little baby monitor, okay? First of all, opening the box was impossible. And then you come in here and they put this tiny little thing in here. Okay, you get to pull that out of there. Huge, ridiculous, wasted space. It was right in there, okay? Wasteful. And then, whatever these are, these tiny little brackets are in all of this paper. So necessary, right? Okay, then we come over to this side of the box and we've got 2 screws and 2 drywall screws in this giant paper. And then this, which again, another impossible box to open. These are just the little plates you can put on the wall to hide the cord. All of these little things, this, 2 screws, and those plates, all of this packaging. This is insanity. First, like the nails. This is a whole experience. I will say 8+ on the packaging.